Hey guys, welcome back to F-Line Garage, here with my LR4 again. So if you watched the other videos up here, you'll see that I bought this thing thinking it had timing chains, right? Needed timing chains. Asked a few people that are really knowledgeable about these and come to find out that it may have a blown head gasket and the motor may have warped the block just because it's aluminum and it doesn't like heat. So I did the combustion test. Check that video out there, and so far I think it looks pretty good. I was actually shocked because I do smell antifreeze, but it doesn't mean that the head gasket leaks into the cooling system. Anyway, the next test we're gonna do here is the compression test. Okay, we're gonna do compression on all the cylinders and see where they're at. Hopefully they all come back good. If not, I either have a blown head gasket, potentially a bent valve. Who knows? We'll cross that bridge when we get there. But right now, I gotta take out all these coil packs, all the spark plugs, and start running compression on this. So, how hard can it be? We're over here on the passenger side. This cover goes right in here, slides down in there. I took it out, and you can see all the coil packs back here. It is tight. I just got to unbolt them and slide them out. Easier said than done, but how hard can it be? It looks like these are the PCV diaphragms up here. If your LR4 is smoking, that might be a reason why. So check those out. But we're here to do compression test. Obviously, these are the valve covers. This is the intake plenum, and we got our spark plugs on the side. So I'm going to start taking these out. I don't actually want to start the engine. I just want to crank. So I am going to be removing all of the spark plugs on both sides and then seeing where we end up with compression. So let's get started. So these coil packs are going to take a T30, and we're just going to put those on each coil pack here and undo it. I removed this piece here. It's like electrical. It's for the electric for the spark plugs coil pack. So I just kind of unclipped it, kind of can get it out of the way. So I'll be removing this here. So just going to use this T30 here to undo each one. Okay, so here we are. I got all the plugs, all the spark plugs out, all the coil packs out, and I did compression on all 8 cylinders. Let me show you where we're at with those. This is how I'm keeping it all organized. The cylinder numbers, the screws that hold the coil packs in, and then the spark plugs that came out, and then I have all the compressions. So I have a 150, 145, 160, 150, 140, 150, 150, 130, 150. So they're all, this is the lowest one. I may redo that one. But they're all around, let's just say 150. So I'm feeling pretty confident with that. So after doing the compression or combustion leak test here, I now did this. I am still fat gathering. The next thing I'm going to do here is scope each of the cylinders just to see kind of what they look like. You never know. So I feel that if I had bent valves, I would not be able to build any compression. I feel that if I had a blown head gasket, that especially since the engine's cold, that I would not be having as consistent compression rates on each of the cylinders. So so far it's still looking like it could be timing. What I think I'm going to do is scope it, then I'm going to put in new plugs, run the engine, clear all the codes, and see what pops up. And just kind of start eliminating all the easy things before I start doing huge monetary outputs. But that's where we're at. Thank you for watching. A little tips and tricks of the trade. Let me show you here. To be able to get out this coil pack on the passenger side, valve or cylinder number 1, is I took out the air box here. I also took out the air box here, and I took out this tray that was sitting in there. This just you can move that out of the way to get to your back cylinder. So number 8. So that's super easy to pull out. You just undo the hose clamp right there and pull. It's just kind of like compression fittings down there. Same thing over here. And then I was actually able to sneak my ratchet with a swivel on it back there. So it really wasn't all that bad. It's tight, yes, but very manageable. I didn't remove any of the battery or anything else. So those are my tips and tricks. I hope you guys are finding this entertaining. Please like, subscribe, and I'm just going to continue working through this LR4, and I hope you come along on the journey. Catch you guys next time.